Hey guys, it is Thursday evening. As promised, we're unboxing our products we're getting ready to try. So I'm still in testing mode because I wanted to be able to give you all two options when you're purchasing hair. I'm keeping it all raw, that's for sure, but I'm just trying to either look at Vietnamese and Indonesian hair along with the raw Indian hair that we currently have on the site. So the other thing I'm doing is I'm testing products that really work well on the hair. I keep doing videos and forgetting to let you guys know what kind of hair I have in. So this is actually a 24-inch body wave wig, lace frontal. This is the same Indian hair that you guys buy in the bundle, but I also ordered wigs from the vendor. So we have the wigs there about 150 density. I love it. It's just the right fullness for me. At night, I just put in a nice plait and tie my front down and keep my frontal laid and wake up and it's fine, put a little coconut oil or whatever your moisturizer of choice is. But that's why I'm testing products so I can know for sure what really works well. I use the coconut oil because when I was in India, that's what most of the women told me that they used was coconut oil, but not too much, just real lightly, and then you put it in your plait for the night. Anywho, let's get to the unboxing. We're going to open up this Design Essentials. I know that Design Essentials has been around for years, but I actually never even used the product. But I've heard a lot of people talking about it. They said it's great for natural hair. And since we're dealing with raw hair, which we want to make sure that we keep it moisturized, I'm trying this product. So let's see what we have. But I can't remember exactly what I ordered. Okay, this is rosemary and mint. It is a stimulating, super moisturizing conditioner. So that's there. I don't know if you guys can see that, if you're familiar with that product.
Hold it down a little bit, baby. There you go.
There we go. That's the conditioner. Looks like it's probably like a leave-in conditioner. Or not. Let's see. And this here is the Honey Cream Moisture Retention Super Detangling Conditioner Shampoo. So these particular products I'm planning to use on the curlier hair.
Other way. Other way. There you go. Yes.
Okay. I want you guys to hit us up in the DM and let us know if you've worked with Design Essentials. Do you like the product? And this is the Oat Protein and Henna Fuller, Thicker, Stronger, Deep Cleansing Shampoo. Okay, so these three products I just showed you, I'm actually going to wash my hair with those tomorrow. I'm going to be getting a sewn with some of this hair I just got from Indonesia, which I will show you in a few minutes. So I got to work on that tonight. And so these products here, let's see what we got. This is avocado, almond and avocado leave-in conditioner. No?
No, I guess I had to bring you a little closer, baby.
Okay.
Oh, I'm up on you now.
All right.
I'm up on you.
These products that I'm going to get ready to take out, these are the ones I'm actually going to be using on the hair when I wash it tomorrow. So this is the almond and avocado leave-in conditioner.
Yes.
Okay. This is the almond and avocado twist and set setting lotion. And I ordered this because I wanted to try it with flexi rods on the hair to see how it does. And on the videos, they show that it's a quick set. So the person used it, they twisted their hair and took it out in like 30 minutes. And it was nice, really nice twist. So we'll experiment with that, see how it does. This is our almond and avocado sulfate-free shampoo. Last product, almond and avocado conditioner. So again, you guys DM me if you're familiar with the product. Let me know if you liked it, didn't like it. Let me know which ones in Design Essentials you actually did like or which product you actually use. Okay, that's that. Now for the fun stuff. Ordered some here from Indonesia. And let me see. I can't remember what inches of bundles I ordered, but I have a ruler here, so we're gonna measure all that stuff and see here. So this says 24 inches. Ooh, staticky. Well, I'm going to be coloring this hair tonight for the sewing tomorrow to see how this hair does. Very staticky right now. It feels pretty coarse. This is their straight hair, but the actual strands feel pretty coarse. So we'll see how that goes tomorrow. That's a good thing, I guess. Again, I think this was the 24-inch straight. And I'm gonna measure it myself too to just do a double check. This is 26. Yeah. Very staticky. But nice bundles for longer lengths. You know, usually they're a little thinner than this. The longer you go, the less hair you have on your bundles. So usually with the raw hair, this is how they do the bundles with the plastic ties. Again, very staticky, but it's all good. We are going to just gonna measure this one and see if it's truly 26. That's my biggest thing. I want to make sure that you guys are getting true sizing. Yeah, it's fully stretched. It is a 26. All right. This one said it was a 24. Yep, 24 and a half. We like that. We like the extra half. Okay, this is a 26, 26. I'm not going to take all those out the pack. 22, 24. Let's see, 22. Trying to see what one of there. Okay, this says frontal. 20-inch frontal. Let's see how the frontal is made. I don't want you to get into this hair. I think I'm gonna have to cut this plastic to get in here.
Get that cut of mother, baby, and put it in.
All right. See, this is a 20-inch frontal. See how it looks. Feels good. That's the construction there. Looks like a 13 by 4. It might be 6. I'm gonna have to. There's no specs on the pack, and I'm gonna have to go back and look and see exactly what it is. But that's a 20-inch frontal there. It's front. That's the back, right out the pack. Feels nice and thick. That's what we like. Because we know these frontals can get to shedding. All right. That's what your lace is looking like. I don't know if you guys can really see that. Like I said, it's pretty thick. We would have to put some water, wet a little bit, and start manipulating it. See what our parting space will look like. The net is very light, so we would definitely have to do some coloring for my skin anyway. Trying to see how these knots are looking. I'm not going to bother bleaching knots and stuff. We're just going to use makeup and get that looking right for tomorrow. I'm going to color it magenta using the L'Oreal High Color. You know how we do. Okay. So that is the frontal, and I should have a closure. Here's their closure. So this is a 22 frontal. That's a 20-inch frontal. And then we also have a 22-inch closure. Okay. I'll check my order and see what I ordered. I'm assuming this is what I ordered, but I can't remember. Okay. Nice wide closure there. I'm going to have to measure to see exactly what it is. I don't know if it's a 6x6. Looks nice and wide. I like the lace. It's very stretchy, actually. So that'll give you a lot of give when you're doing the sewing. I like that. Okay. This hair is actually sourced in Indonesia. And it's pretty coarse, like I said, the actual strands of the hair. Which is probably a good thing when it comes to us getting that nice bounce when we flat iron the hair. Or holding a nice curl. I did watch a woman on YouTube who she was rating the Indonesian hair. See a few gray strands, but it's all good. And she was saying that the hair really holds a curl, like she'll curl it on Monday, and her curls can last until Wednesday afternoon, and she won't have to curl it again until Thursday. So that's your net there. I know it's hard to probably see, guys, but that's that there. But tomorrow we'll really get to see when we manipulate. I'm going to wash it. Get ready to color it tonight. I will videotape a little bit of the coloring. I won't bore you guys with the coloring because you always see me coloring hair. But since I'm testing the hair, I just like to share that experience with you guys so we can see how fast the hair, you know, colors, how nice the color looks, how rich it looks. For this unit that I have on, I used L'Oreal High Color Magenta, but I kept it on overnight. One of the stylists on YouTube said that she keeps her color on overnight because it's a little richer. It's not damaging because we're not bleaching the hair. We're just adding the color to the dark hair, to the natural color. So I'll do the same tonight. I'm gonna do 2 bundles and a frontal in the magenta, and then I have another girl who's gonna test the hair for me, and she likes like a cinnamon color. So I found the L'Oreal High Color in copper. So I'm hoping that's gonna be close to the cinnamon that she likes. So I'm gonna do this closure and 2 bundles for her sewing. So that is it for now, guys. We appreciate you so much. You guys have been following us diligently. You've been DMing us, giving us tips and ideas and what your desires are and what your needs are and what you're looking for. So please DM us. We're open to any suggestions, anything we need to be doing different. We're trying to test product for you guys so we can say, yes, use this product on this type of hair. It holds moisture. Your hair is going to be soft and nice. We don't want you guys to have to go to the Chinese to buy your hair. Their hair is always shiny and looks magical, but it's trash hair. They're taking hair from the trash from Indonesia, the trash from Pakistan, the trash from the Ukraine, the trash hair from Russia, from India. And yes, they're providing you with raw hair because it is raw when they get it because of it's just the hair that no one else could use. When I say trash hair, you know when they go through the single drawing process or the double drawing process, that matted hair, that's the trash hair. And then also, all vendors I noticed when we went to India, after they put the hair on the weft, and they delice it, they shampoo it, they pull out the gray hair, they wash it 3 times. On that 3rd shampoo, if the hair mats, that's the way they're testing to ensure that the cuticles are in line. If that hair mats up on that weft, they sell that to China. They have bags and bags of just trash hair that they give to China. And I think I did a video on that for you guys, so go back and check that video out. Yeah, so we're trying to empower each other and get us wearing quality hair. This is something we put in our head. It's exposed to our pores and our scalp. So we want to have good quality hair. I know we use that word good hair, but we want hair that's going to be quality, that's going to be strong, that's going to last you a long time. So you don't have to buy hair a lot. Spend on quality, and you don't have to buy it that much. So let's support each other. DM me. ideas, tips, what you want, what you don't want to see, what issues you've had. We're open. We read our DMs every day. So we're open to check things and respond to you. I'm getting ready to get the color out. We're going to move into the kitchen. We'll start that video and show you me laying the color on this hair. So we'll see what it looks like in the morning because I'm going to leave it overnight. All right, guys. Love you. Talk to you soon. Peace.